Hello guys, welcome back again to my kitchen. In today's video, I'll show you how I make this egg and spinach easy to put together. With no further ado, let's jump right into the video. In a clean pan, I'll be adding coconut oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I will allow this to melt, and thereafter I will go straight to add my tomatoes. I'm using fresh tomatoes. I didn't use onions. If you want to use onions or you want to add onions to it, feel free to do so. I'll allow this to cook and then I will add my spinach. Guys, if you have watched up to this moment, thank you for coming. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. So I'll go ahead to stir this up. After stirring, I will leave it to cook for a few minutes before coming back to the pan. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Moving over to the eggs, I'll be cracking some eggs. After cracking it, I will go ahead to add some salt into this, and then I will also be adding another ingredient, which is my bacon. This is cooked bacon. Then I will mix everything together. If you have watched this video and you enjoyed this video up to this time, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. So back to our spinach and tomatoes. I covered it to go for some minutes. Now I'll be adding some salt and maggi, and I will go ahead to add this cooked pepper. I made it myself, and thereafter I'll just give everything a good stir, and then I'll go ahead to add our whisk egg. This recipe is so easy to put together and it's very simple. Then I will cover this to cook for a few minutes, and thereafter I will open up the pan. Uh, As you can see, I'll just go ahead to just flip it up, turn it here and there. Oh, it's almost ready, but it's not fully ready. So I'll turn the other side so that it can also cook for some minutes. Can you see the vegetable and the egg? Guys, this is a good and healthy breakfast. I use this as a breakfast. You can also take it for lunch or for dinner. So, guys, I went ahead to add bread, and on top of the bread, I spread some peanut butter. This was so yummy and so delicious. I paired this up with some coffee and milk. You can use tea or hot chocolate, anything to eat this up. You can use rice, spaghetti, whatever you have. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.